The British came to India in 1600 as traders in the form of East India Company with an exclusive right to trade in India under a charter granted by Queen Elizabeth I. Queen Elizabeth I had basically granted a charter to East India Company which effectively gave them the right to trade in India. But since the charter was given by the Queen, it was also referred to as the Royal Charter. So till the year 1765, the East India Company had purely trading functions and the company obtained Diwali, that is, rights over revenue and civil justice of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. And this very Diwali right started its career as a territorial power in India. So let's step away from the book for a second and understand the backstory of Diwali rights here. When the East India Company had come to India in the 1600s, India had a huge share in the global GDP at the time. So much that our country was also known as Sone Ki Chidiya during that time. Trading in such a lucrative era made the East India Company extremely wealthy, and they amassed significant political and military influence over time. But East India Company's big day came in the year 1764. That's when the company fought in the Battle of Buxar, the war that was fought in 1764, and the British won that war. The East India Company won that war. This victory changed the company's fortunes. Because of this victory, the company obtained Diwali rights, and this took them to a whole different level. So how exactly did Diwali rights change things for the East India Company compared to the kind of power they had for the last 160 or more years before that? Pay attention to this. Diwali rights gave the East India Company the rights over revenue and civil justice. But earlier, they just had the right to trade. So in effect, this made them much more powerful.